Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add wallet credit on OnlyFans. So, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and log into your OnlyFans account. Once you are on the home page, click on your profile icon at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, click on your cards. Now, click on add a new card or add a payment card. You can add credits using your debit card, credit card, or any other available payment method supported in your country. After you have successfully added, enter the amount you want to add and then simply follow the on-screen instruction to complete the transaction. OnlyFans will instantly update your wallet once the payment is successful. You can use these wallet credits to subscribe to creators, buy content, or send tips, all without entering your card details every time. And that's it. Now you know how to add wallet credit on OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.